and welcome back to Baking with Delaney. Today we are going to be making a Oreo cookies and cream silk pie cheesecake thing. It's like a silk pie and a cheesecake. So you're going to need, to start with the crust, you're going to need some crushed Oreos. So we're going to put that in a bowl. Make sure to get them finely crushed. Then you're going to add your melted butter into the bowl. And you can start off with a little bit and then mix it, and if you need more butter to add in, you can do that. So here's our bowl. Like I said, you start out with a little and you can always add more if you need to. And as long as your hands are clean, you can also work it in with your hands to massage it better. Okay, so once you have your Oreos mixture ready, you're going to fill your pie pan with it, or whatever pan that you're going to be using. I'm using this tin pie pan. Alright, then you're going to use your hands to flatten it down like this into the pan. I like that sound a lot. Okay, so once you have it all pressed into your pan like this, you're going to set it in the fridge while you're making the rest of your filling. So I'll be right back. Okay, for the filling, you're going to add 1 block of softened cream cheese. And then you are going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're going to have a little less than 1/4 cup of sugar. Make sure it's even. Next, you're going to add half a cup of Cool Whip. This might be a little tricky to get filled and not overfill or underfill, so you may have to take some time into this. Now you're going to mix it all up until it's well combined. Now you're going to add 1/3 cup of whipped cream cheese into the mixture. This also might be a little bit like the whipped cream, so you might have to play around with it to get it to be smooth over the top. Now you're going to add 1 more 1/4 cup of whipped cream into your mixture. Next, you're going to mix your mixture until it's all combined once again. I will say, you can hand mix it like I'm doing right now with a spoon, or you can use an actual mixer to mix it all up. So you have the option there. Alright, now we're going to add just 1 more teaspoon. Sorry for that interruption, my sister was being annoying. So we are going to add 1 more teaspoon of sugar because, as we all know, a teaspoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. So just add that 1 more teaspoon of sugar. And give it 1 more good mix. I'm sorry for all the mixing, but it has a purpose. So give it 1 more good mix. Now you're going to want to take out your Oreo crust from the fridge. Alright, now you're just going to pour your cream filling into your Oreo crust. Okay, once you have it all spread out, you're going to take some chocolate syrup and just drizzle it over the top. Even though taste is what really matters, presentation matters too. Now you're going to put it in the fridge for one last time. You're going to let your pie sit in the fridge for exactly 1 hour and 45 minutes. I'll see you once that's done.